To add a workspace for any client, begin by clicking the Add Workspace button. A workspace creation pop-up will appear, starting with the basic details. Select the start date and end date for the workspace, and then choose the period, such as quarter, interim, half year, year-end, or limited review. Based on the selected period, choose the appropriate sub-period. Next, select the type of workspace: statutory audit, referred to audit, or tax audit. The available workspace types may vary depending on the client type. Then set the expected archival date for this workspace. Once these details are entered, proceed to allocate team members. Assigning a partner or partner admin is mandatory before you continue. After adding the team, click Next to move forward. If the client is standalone, with branches, you will see an additional step for selecting the component. Choose the component for which you want to create the workspace. Remember, in the case of standalone with branches, always create the head office workspace first before adding any branch workspaces. After selecting the component, proceed to upload the trial balance. Begin by selecting the accounting software, either Tally or other ERP. If you choose other ERP, download the template provided by AuditorsDesk, enter your data into the template, and upload the completed file back into the system. Once you've downloaded the template, there are a few important guidelines you must follow to ensure that the trial balance uploads successfully in the software. First, make sure you are using the correct template provided by the system. Check that the header row is included and confirm that all header names match exactly as required. Also ensure that all mandatory columns are present. While filling the data, avoid using symbols like dash in place of 0, and make sure there are no invalid values or negative numbers where they're not allowed. Be careful not to enter duplicate records under the same primary, secondary, or other GL heads. Next, check that no columns are left blank and that every record is filled completely. In number fields such as opening, closing, debit, and credit, only numerical values should be entered, no characters or text. Also verify that the FS or financial statement classification is mentioned correctly. Before uploading, cross-check the total number of entries in each column to ensure consistency. If you're uploading from Tally, make sure the JSON file contains the correct header details. And finally, remove any formulas as well as any external links or references from the sheet. Following these guidelines will help ensure a smooth and error-free trial balance upload. You also have the option to upload the trial balance later within the workspace. Once this step is completed, click Next, and your workspace will be created. After adding the workspace, the user will be guided through a few additional steps. First, to complete the independence form, and then to configure the workspace settings according to their requirements. These settings can also be updated anytime within the workspace. Thank you.